SSH is the remote connectivity. It is like I am connecting your instance remotely. That is SSH. Hopefully, we are clear about the editor concept. Please do this lab and update me. Okay, Priyanka, what you want to see it? How to open a file, how to close it? Is it what you want to see it? Or no, sir? Then AWS you want to see it. I want to see launching of the server. How it? Okay, simple. Okay, okay. I got your question now. Okay. Simple thing is, first you are learning the Linux operating system, correct? So if I'm learning about Linux operating system, first the operating system should be there. Okay, so you will go and 1 second. Just give me 1 second. I will launch the instance. Just give me 1 second. I'll show you. Let me log in it and I'll show you what to do. Just let me power on, let me launch my AWS console, then I will teach you. Okay. Just give me 2 minutes. Okay. Uh, so make it simpler, Priyanka. Understand this way. You are learning Linux operating system, correct? So for learning Linux operating system, what you need it? Basic thing, let's clear it. For learning the Linux operating system, what you need it? You need the Linux operating system running, correct? If I am teaching you the Linux operating system, what is required from your end? You need a operating system first, correct? And that's where we are going it. So you all are working on this cloud console. Let open the console. Okay. Now I'll share my screen. So first of all, you need the Linux operating thing. What session I am covering it? I am teaching you the Linux operating system, correct? So all the activities you need to do on the Linux operating system. What you are running here is the Windows 11. Can I do the VI thing here? Answer is no. So it means you need a Linux operating system. Now question comes where I will launch it. So this is the cloud provider. What cloud is doing it? They are providing you the Linux instance. So you will go here in the EC2. Okay, I'll show you step by step. You go in the EC2. You click on launch instance. What it will do, it will create a Linux VM for you. Linux VM is requirement. So I just click on the launch instance. Provide a Linux instance IP. I'll say Linux VM. Okay. Type, you will select it. You will be selecting the type. Okay. You will select Ubuntu as the operating system. This is operating system. Here only you will perform the activity. So first you need to set up the Linux operating system. You will be selecting Linux operating system. You will be selecting type. Key pair, you need to create it. So go and create a key pair. I'll create a key pair, training, something. Okay. Type, you can use it, PAM and all this thing, that is up to you. If you want to connect it from your internet, you need to enable the public IP. SSH must be enabled and launch the instance. That's it. This is where you need to perform the activity. Once this instance is launched, then only you can perform the further activities. So this instance is launched means this is the Linux operating system. Inside that only you will be using the BI editor. This is your Linux operating system. I click on the Linux operating system. There is an option is coming connect. Click on connect. It is showing you SSH client. If you are not comfortable with SSH, click on EC2 connect and connect it. That's it. Once the Linux operating system is open, then only you will be able to perform the VI activity. Now this is my Linux operating system where I am connecting it out. Once the connection is established, this is where you need to perform the exercise. I'll show you this console will come. Here only you need to perform VI test, insert, press I, type test, test 1, test 2, escape, colon, WQ. That's it. This is the lab. We did it. Escape, colon, WQ. That's it. File is done. This what you need to do it. Hopefully now this is clear. No, you can use any Linux. I am just asking AWS Linux, Ubuntu Linux, CentOS, Red Hat, anything you can use. I need a Linux operating system. I Why we are using Ubuntu? Because I am comfortable with Ubuntu. That's all. You can use any Linux flavor. More or less they are same. So it's a comfort level. That's all. They are the Linux distribution. If you remember day one or day two, I have